Welcome back. Female athletes fighting to keep women's sports for women only will have another chance to make their case in court. And that's because a Connecticut appeals court is reviving the case. Judges found that 4 female athletes can sue, and they described injuries that might qualify for monetary damages. This is after the state had allowed biological men who claim to be women to compete in women's sports at the high school level. Now, the case had been dismissed by a Connecticut judge in 2021. The decision was affirmed by a Second Circuit court a year ago, but now it's headed back to the courtroom. Christiana Kiefer is a senior counsel for the Alliance for Defending Freedom. Chelsea Mitchell is a student athlete, part of the lawsuit. Welcome to you both, and thanks so much for coming on today. Wow, this is some positive news, again, for any woman who would like to see female sports stay biologically female. Chelsea, let me just start with you. Your reaction to this news that a judge is willing to give you a second chance.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I mean, we filed this lawsuit almost 4 years ago, and to finally be able to, you go to trial is really exciting. I was really excited to hear about this.
And Christiana, talk to me about the odds of this case actually making a difference. Again, we'd seen it in Connecticut where the judge had allowed biological men who identified as women to compete. Why is it going to potentially be different this time around?
Well, this is a huge win for female athletes. It means that these brave young women, including Chelsea, get to have their day in court and get to have their full case made under Title IX. Look, the district court below didn't even listen to their arguments under Title IX and really shut the courthouse doors in their face. So this could be a precedent-setting case. We're excited for the opportunity to move forward, especially because we're seeing this becoming a bigger and bigger issue across the country.
Chelsea, have you heard or experienced first case scenario where you know what it's like to compete against a biological man? Can you describe what that feeling's like?
Yeah, so I raced against 2 biological males all 4 years of high school, and I lost multiple podium spots, medals. Eventually, I lost 4 state championships to these 2 male athletes, and it was so demoralizing and heartbreaking to line up time and time again, state championship after state championship and continuously lose.
To hear your story is just a reminder that it's happening in certain states where this is allowed, and there are consequences for the women who are competing, whether it's those scholarships missing out on or just the fact that you aren't recognized for your skill set. So keep us posted, please, on this case. Christiana Kiefer and Chelsea Mitchell joining us today. Thank you both for coming on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.